Next pocket, labeled cut, scrapes, burns, with we got Bandages, Shears, Airways, and tape. Alright, so a lot of this stuff is going to be in these more lock-sack bags. So I have a ton of alcohol prep pads, some Neosporin, some Orogel, a lot of skin cleansing type stuff, as well as alcohol prep pads, some iodine. These kind of things I get on Amazon. You can buy boxes of 100 of these things. They're this one's Providone iodine. You can also buy the these Ducal alcohol prep pads. They're good for cleaning the area around wounds. Also things like this, these little packets of antibiotic ointment. These you can buy boxes of 100 of them for next to nothing on Amazon. All these things I got on Amazon. The bonus of Amazon, I mean, I don't work for Amazon, I'm not pumping them up or anything like that, but I've gotten my money out of Amazon big time. When I was getting all this shit together, I literally was getting boxes daily. And because I was doing such frequent orders, they have a thing called Prime Shipping that you can join. I think it's like $75 a year. And it basically gives you free shipping for anything that's Prime eligible. I mean, just this bag alone probably would have cost $20 to UPS to me, but it's worth its weight in gold. So if you're going to go the Amazon route, definitely, if you can, go for the Prime shipping option. Another thing that's cool about Prime shipping is if you want it overnight, they only charge you like $2.99 to overnight it to you, or maybe it's $3.99. But I mean, it's anything. You could order 20 pounds worth of stuff. If it fits in the box, it's $3.99 to pay for overnight shipping. It's worth its weight in gold again. Alright, moving back along. Here we have just a generic pair of medical shears. Have a plastic bag in here. All kinds of neato shit in it. I have a couple of rolls of tape. Some airways. You see the airway in there? You jam that in somebody's mouth, open up their throat. There's another set of shears, a smaller pair of scissors. A lot of this stuff I got at CVS, I will say. These little things of medical tape did come with the bag. There's 3 sizes of airways in here. Small, medium, and large. I have a Streamlight mini flashlight type thing. This is kind of cool. It's a really sharp, pointy pair of tweezers. It's got a light built into it. Very cool. What else is in here? There's a little thing of hand soap that came with the medical kit when I got it. I think one of these pairs of medical shears came with them. And then it had some, cheesy stuff like this plastic pair of tweezers, I guess, in a pinch. It's better than nothing, but I would replace them with something a little more robust. And there's several other different sizes and shapes of tweezers. I have a pair of toenail clippers and fingernail clippers, so it kind of says it all there. Also, there's I don't know if you can see it, crazy glue. That's good for putting your ass back together. If you have a deep ass cut, you can glue yourself back together with that, literally. Also, this thing with the dots on it, that's actually a flashlight, and it has a pupil gauge that you can see how hard the guy is tripping. Okay, what else we got in here? In here are smaller gauze pads, non-inherent pads, and some eye gauze pads. again in a lock sack. A lot of these things, the non-adherent pads and these non-adhesive sterile pads I got on Amazon. You can buy them in boxes of 100 or 50. Obviously you can see where I got the Band-Aids, or these gauze pads. Inside here I have even smaller sizes of sterile dressings and non-adherent pads. These are Band-Aids actually, and these came with the kit. Also in here, these butterfly dressings came with the kit as well. I also carry some wet ones, 1,000 uses. There's some loose providone iodine. I have a ton of medical tape. This is cloth tape. This is also cloth tape, but it's a lot thinner. Kind of a different setup there. Q-tips, got them at CVS. Same with the tape. This stretchy, it's kind of a rubbery tape. It's supposed to be water resistant. Got it at CVS. What do we got here? Iodine tincture. Good for anything that needs to be sticky and clean. Here we have some Tegaderm Film. If anybody out there has ever had an operation, this is what they use to close, well, not close, but to cover the area that they went through. What you do, I don't know if there's no, there's not. Basically this is a film that's got a picture frame around it of sticky stuff, basically. So you peel this off, and the center part is really thin. You can place your gauze pad under it and then place this over the affected area. So it holds the gauze pad in place, but it's also breathable. It expels gas, so you don't get any kind of staph infection or any kind of over hydration to the area. You know how if you wear a Band-Aid for like 2 days, your finger turns all white? That won't happen with these. Here's a bunch of small gauze pads, or pardon me, these are gauze rolls. These did come with the kit. Another pair of gloves. Here we got 900 different sizes of Band-Aids. Got those at CVS. You notice I'm buying a lot of the generic stuff from CVS. It costs about 1/3 as much as normal Band-Aid brand Band-Aids, and it's the same damn thing. There's no reason to get, you know, go spend $100 on Band-Aids. A loose pack of burn gel. This is a CPR mask that came with the medical kit. And there's just some loose odds and ends in there. Okay, I'm going to put some of this stuff back. I'll be right back. Alright, I'm back. That was kind of a hassle. But at least I'm doing the video and I won't have to unpack it hopefully ever again. Alright, in here we have fractures and springs. We have a couple of these triangular bandages that you can use either as tourniquets or slings, like if you break your arm. Those two, I believe, did come with the kit. Here we have a universal splint that you saw a couple of these in my other Black Hawk bag. Basically, it's just aluminum with like a rubber coating around it. It's flexible. You can mold it into shapes and whatever, and you can use it as a splint as long as you keep it curved. It makes it hard for it to bend if it's curved. Right. This came with the bag. A couple of Ace bandages. These are the kind with the Velcro, so you don't need the little steel tabs that always end up sticking in you. Got a couple of instant cold packs. I believe those came with the bag. Some smaller, these size ace bandages. I bought a box of these on Amazon. I think there was a dozen. There was either 10 or a dozen of them in the box, and it was like $15 or something. Another one of those larger ace bandages, and there's also a couple more of those smaller ones in here, as well as 3 more of these cold packs. I won't bother showing those to you. And the last bucket. Here we have surgical type instruments, irrigation equipment, and suturing supplies. Right here, first out of the box, we have a set of sutures. This is polyester braided, non-absorbable, with a I can't find the gauge of the needle on there, but it's a rounded needle. Also in this pack, I have a couple of alcohol swabs that we've got with CVS, and there's a couple of there's a hemostat, a needle driver, as well as a scalpel handle in there. Inside this, this I got on Amazon. I have a few of these. It's a basically a little field surgery kit and suturing kit. Comes with, I don't know if it came with that flashlight, but it comes with 2 scalpel handles. These scissors I don't believe came with it. It comes with a smaller pair of scissors. Also comes with a few different needle drivers and these tweezers. And then inside here I have several different scalpels of different arrangements and a whole bunch of packets of sutures. This was, I think, about $30 on Amazon. It's not high quality equipment. This shit's probably made in Pakistan or something. But in a pinch, why not? It'll work. Okay, we have more tape. Irrigation syringe. This came with the pack. More hand sanitizer, CVS item. Here, this came with the kit as well. It's another irrigation syringe. It's much larger. It's 60 cc's. This came with the kit. Also, there's a bulb type turkey baster style irrigator that came with the kit. It's actually another one of these 60 cc irrigator syringes. The kit also came with 250 milliliters of sterile irrigating solution, sterile water, if you want to keep it simple. Another pair of gloves came with the kit. Let's see that. Another pair of gloves came with the kit. And last but not least, we have a pile of lap sponges, which is basically really expensive Kleenex. So there you go. There's my M17 bag. Basically all the things in the Blackhawk bag are from another medical kit that I got at a gun show, as well as some things that I picked up from Amazon. I buy this stuff in bulk, so you know I can spread it around pretty far. So that's it, YouTube. Thanks for watching. Keep prepping, and yeah, take care.